of the reading emails. Literally, you can do this from anywhere in the world just using your cell phone. All you have to do is to make 25 or more per hour. Literally, just to read emails go to www. You want is up baby shirt gang. Welcome back to another exciting video. If you're new here or you're already part of the baby shirt gang, make sure you do two things to tap the little button until it's turned blue for the YouTube algorithms, and make sure you also tap the little red subscribe button, join to the bell square. Why? Because every first commenter and of our new video wins the $1,000 course. By the way, shout out to our last video winners of the first commenter and also the riddle. You guys have been loving the riddles so much. If you're getting such the funny responses to it, what we are going to keep it going. So today's riddle is what can you keep after giving to someone else, to the whoever gets the answer to that right. And this is the first commenter down below on this video to go. So we'll also win the $1,000 course. So if you guys like money, make sure you tap the like button, subscribe, join to the bell square so that you can be our next winner. So today we are going to be teaching you how to make up to the 600 per day literally just by reading emails. I know it sounds hard to believe, but I'm going to prove it to you in just a few minutes on this short video. But really quick before we get into the all that I wanted to give you the huge short of the one of the awesome students that having the ton of the success named Sin, who said they finally reach over the 30,000 in the revenue in the less than 30 days thanks to Podric. So exciting and I feel amazing. You all can do it. I've basically done everything Podric says in the course and experiencing this the manufacturer. It is amazing to the fantastic. So shout out to your scene. It's really awesome. So proud of you. I just wanted to start, showing some love, and all of your students are having so much success, giving you guys a shout out on my YouTube. So keep it up, brother, and I'm so excited for you for the future. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make up to the 600 in the 24 hours or less just by reading emails. The website that we are going to be using today is actually called Vandelate.com, and yes, I know that it does say that the website, they actually get paid to do the service, but this is not what we are going to be talking about today. We are already proved that the surveys are generally not be the best use of your actual money, because again, they are basically the easiest possible things to do. The most possible people actually do which means they generally make at least possible money to do surveys. But Vindoit also offers other ways to make money on their site. You can see it right here that Vandal members actually have made more $7 million in the cash, right? Not points and not anything weird like that, not credit, not gift cards, literally seen millions of dollars in cash. You get paid directly instead of your account. You can cash that hour directly into your PayPal or the strange to your bank account. So what you want to do is you want to create a completely free account on the evendance.com. You see that they have a lot of the offers right here to take to reading emails for the healing here, and the pharmaceutical from the 55 minutes to get paid 25, right? They have a lot of the different tasks generally for the email task. They are about 10 to 15 per assignment, and those are kind of those one that are going to make you the most money, right? When you actually create an account you will see that they have the number of the different categories here, right? They have church and trucks, political, sports, technology, shopping, so all these different type of things. But what you really want to focus on the shopping, right? They have the couple of the different categories when you are going to make this significantly more, but shopping trends to be one where you are going to be making the most brand for your bank and actually get paid the most of your time reading these actual emails. So once you actually hop inside of these categories, you're going to see that one of the different things and actual job posts for the reading emails, the fastest way to make money, like I said before, generally to take the ones to the shopping category. But what I would do if I were you, if you actually wanted to take this seriously and make money, in the long term, is try out to the actual job posting for the each one of their categories, see which they actually make the most money from you with the least work, or the one that you actually enjoy to doing. The most another pro tip that you want to actually keep in mind is the enjoy way that you are going to make 10 to 15 per assignment for the actually doing this is the is if you are actually in the on their selected countries, right? And so what you want to do is you want to use that's called the VPN, right? The virtual private network that actually shows your computer as the being in one of the approved countries, like in USA, Canada, place like that, right? Because one of the problems that their sites are people from the countries all around the world we sign up and not really give it a very good quality work, and so you so what they do is something they will have you to know approved for the professional countries where you actually have to have your computer registered, like in those countries, to be able to qualify to make significantly more money doing this, right? So there's a lot of the different free VPNs, which stands for the virtual private networks out there, right? This isn't going to be the tutorial, but how to do that. But you can easily go and get one completely for free that will actually make it your computer looks like you are based in the USA or the Canada. If you are not, if you already are in one of those countries, then you are finally. But if you are in a country outside of the what their preference countries are, you are not going to be able to make as such going doing this, right? So that's just the kind of the pro tip for you guys. Remember also, when you are actually set up your account, you have to use an address that's based on the is one of the countries. Well, you can actually go to the find your own random address generator, or just literally go into the Google Maps, look for the Canada, or look inside the USA and zoom all the way until you find the address that actually sets that up right. There's right, and what they till they actually showed that you're in the Canada. The VPN is showing your computer in Canada, and when you'll be able to actually qualify for the maximum possible payouts, doing this couple of other cool ways to make money with the window is you can actually use their referral program, and they also have to the free sign up bonus to claim your sign up bonus. All you have to do is just go to their site and then take your mouse as if you're about to the exit, and exit and tap the pop-up with will pop up saying to the sign up, give them your email address. You can already earn $1 immediately deposited into your account, literally just for signing up, which you're gonna to always and you scroll down to the sites, you can see the ways to earn actually shows all the things that they are do right. We were talking about rewards mail, where you actually click rewards mail, and you can do it to the sign up and get paid to the read emails, right? That's what we are talking about on this video. But if you actually go back to ways to earn the hero, right, another things that you will see is where it says referrals, right? Referrals means that you actually get paid to the $5 for the every single friend that you are refer actually join the window, to maybe somebody gonna to comment down below with their referral links and other people might click it, or you can tell us about your friends or family members to sign up. Also, or just to sign up everybody that on your social media, and you can make money. That will probably not the most effective things that the world, but remember at the beginning, as the entrepreneur, you have to make more time and actually grind for every single dollar, so you can save some money that you can actually then use to reinvest into more and the better, more profitable ways to actually make money online. So that's a bunch of the different ways to make money with the valuable reading emails, right? Getting paid 25 an hour or more to actually do that, getting paid free sign up bonuses just to sign up with your going to anyway. How to do quality for more quality money by using the American or the Canada address and VPN, and even how you to earn the $5 or the more referral bonus later with just to sign up and show other people about the site too, which is really simple and easy to actually make some side hustle incomes. If you like this video, we actually have the second YouTube channel called More Rich Podric, where we go live and teach you the brand new ways to make money on the internet. Sure to subscribe to our second YouTube channel down below in the descriptions, and the first pin comment that we also have the new podcast channels for the hour 25 of the world podcast called the Rich Podric Experience. Subscribe to that down below for the more Rich Podric and the Rich Podric Experience, two brand new YouTube channels which are really awesome. You guys are gonna to love them. If you just want to continue learning in this channel, we have the brand new playlist to the best ways to make money online, work from home, be happy, a better person coming in your life. In the center in the screen, make sure you click on it to the comment to you in 3 2 1. Click in it to the center, guys. See you there, please click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlists. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you will like it. Click the playlist. See you soon.